this is the new lens. I was really looking forward for last 2-3 days. I have ordered it from Amazon. It is Sigma 17 to 15 mm f 2.8. So finally, after a lot of speculation and research, I got this lens. So this is the 17 to 50 mm f 2.8 aperture lens. Right now I'm shooting it from 18 to 55 mm kit lens, and it has an aperture of 3.5 to 5.6 throughout the focal range of 18 to 55. But this baby over here, it has a constant aperture of f 2.8 throughout the focal range of 70 to 50 mm. Yeah, that is how it is. The main reason for me to buy this lens was to get a wide angle lens and also get a go-to lens which I can use all the time. I mean, I have this 50 mm prime lens, but I can only shoot portrait or some videos with this. But this wide angle lens will be much more handy when it comes to landscape photography. Now this is a 18 to 55 mm lens and this is 17 to 50 mm. That means it is tad bit wider than this lens, but the main difference comes in the aperture. That means the background you are seeing with the help of this lens, it will be much more shallower depth of field. If I want to talk about technicalities, lesser the number, bigger the size of the aperture, and higher will be the depth of field in the surrounding. Thank God I got it right. And having this lens as f 2.8, that means you will see much more wider depth of field. I mean, the surrounding will be, there will be a lot of bokeh in the surrounding. So without getting into much more technicalities, let's just swipe this lens and see what's the difference. So you can see the difference by yourself, and it is impossible to deny that the quality of the image is much more crisp and brighter than my kit lens. Kit lens was also doing fine. It has been 3 years that I have been using the kit lens. I was doing pretty much everything with it, and now I thought the time has finally arrived that I should upgrade my camera or my lens at least, and so that I can come out with some beautiful content for my channel. But this has become one big setup. I mean, the lens itself is quite big and sturdy. This was the size of my 18 to 55 mm lens, so you can make it out how big the lens is. So without any further ado, let's go out and shoot some b-rolls with it. So it is the next day morning. It's around 5:15 in the morning. I thought of coming here and shoot the sunrise, make a time-lapse video of it, but it seems that the sun is gone inside that patch of cloud. Nevertheless, the sun is up and it seems that it will be quite a sunny day. Now the plan was to go out, possibly to Maidan or Prinsep Ghat, and shoot some videos, but so it has again started raining, as you can see. I'm stuck under this tree trying to get some decent shot, and it's pretty much raining everyone except this place. Filmmaking can be a pain in the ass. failed day number one. uh, the day I chose did not turn out to be the way I wanted it to turn. And right after I reached that venue, it started raining. Then I had to put everything in my bag, make it water sealed by putting rain cover. Then I had to run. And like traffic was, there was so much of traffic congestion. Traffic congestion was obnoxious, and I had to crawl through all the vehicles to make it through. But at the same time, I was also feeling good that I can at least make it home, and other people in four wheels are really stuck at the very same place. So it's just two sides of the coin. So that's it for this vlog. I'll not stretch it. The main purpose of this vlog was to introduce this lens, which I did. And if I have to talk about a little more about this lens, is that it is also optically stabilized. So the shots I got was pretty decent. And the mount of this lens is not a plastic mount, it's a rubber gasket mount, so it pretty much makes this camera weather sealed. But my camera is not water resistant, so I can't really take the chance of exposing it to heavy rains. So that is why I pretty much packed it up today and rushed to home. And so yeah, that's how it is. If you have liked this video, you can like it, and you can also subscribe to this channel. So yeah, till then, see you, bye bye.